Hello there and welcome to another video for Cabin Crew English. So Luis Felipe in Brazil contacted me and asked me for information about using for, to, already, still, at, on, in and by. So let's look straight away at the first one now, to. So you can use the word to as in, I am going to a place. For example, I am heading to the plane now. Or you can also say something like, the passenger is on his way to the gate. Okay, good. Let's move on to for. Here's a couple examples. I apologize for being late. And another one. I applied for the job, but I didn't get it. I applied for the job, but I didn't get it. So, moving on. Already. For example, already it's kind of like, you weren't expecting it. So, we've already arrived at our destination. Another one, the late passengers were running to the gate but the plane was already leaving. So in this case, it's not really a surprise, it's just stating the fact that the plane was already leaving. Next one is still. It's kind of a word to say like, I still haven't gotten my wine. So a passenger might say, I still haven't gotten my wine. As in, I've been waiting for it, where is it, can I get it please, I still haven't gotten my wine. But you can also use it for describing someone like the passenger was sitting very still, as in not moving. Very still, not moving. So you can use that to describe a passenger who's not feeling well or who is sick or something. Now at is used to refer to where you are. So I was at my station. We can also use it for a question. Do you work at ABC Airlines? Let's see. Again, we can also use it for this one. Has the passenger arrived at the gate? Has the passenger arrived at the gate? And we can also say it for arranging a time. I will meet you at 3 p.m. So this is a preposition of place, and this one is a preposition of time. Let's look at on. I left my wallet on the table. So this can be used as a preposition of place, on the table. But we can also use it in saying that Dublin, the city, is on the east coast of Ireland. And we also talk about where people live. For example, if someone lives in a tall apartment building, we can say he lives on the 15th floor. Okay, in. We talk about things like something is in a box, in a building. So you can say this one, I left my notes in the briefing room. I left my bag in the plane. And now the last one is by. Again, this can be for place. The passenger is standing by the gate. So it tells you where the passenger is, by the gate, near the gate. And you can also use it for time, saying, please be there by 2 p.m. In other words, don't be there any later than 2 p.m. Okay? So I hope this helps you. And if you have anything that you want help with, please leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll do our best to make a video for you. So that's it for now, and we'll see you next time. Okay? Bye bye.